Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to select and delete blank cells in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then select column or single column or full table. Example, select full table, go to data tab, create filter and click filter drop down menu, clear, select on a blanks. Okay, and now we can see this. Select blank cells, right click on your mouse, delete selected rows. Again, right click, delete cells. And again, selected table, go to data tab, remove filter. And now we can see this delete rows. And see this delete single cells, select again column. Again go to filter tab, create filter, clear, select only blanks. Okay, right click, delete cells and shift left. Remove filter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.